spearheading enterprise development with digital empowerment. Building win-win cooperation with commitment and trustworthiness. YD Force, relying on its digital framework, is principally engaged in the design, development, and manufacturing of worm gearbox and helical gearbox. Based in Hangzhou, the company currently operates 2 major production plants and has built a modern intelligent factory spanning over 40,000 square meters. We have the capacity for an annual output of nearly 1 million gearboxes, and our products are exported to more than 50 countries. Products are widely used in industry, transportation, construction, metallurgy, petroleum, chemical, food, printing, and other fields. Star products include YNMRV Precision Worm Gearbox, WP Series Worm Gearbox, Precision Planetary Transmission Gearbox, and 4 series of gearbox motors: R-Series Coaxial Helical Gear Hardened Gearbox Motor, F-Series Parallel Shaft Helical Gear Hardened Gearbox Motor, K-Series Helical Plus Bevel Gear Hardened Gearbox Motor, and S-Series Helical Plus Worm Gearbox Motor, as well as other customized gearboxes. As a pioneer in information management, YD Force has realized big data analysis, scientific production planning, and guaranteed production effectiveness through the applications of ERP, MAS, and RPS digital systems. In addition to monitoring the whole production process, it utilizes a complete product traceability system to manufacture higher quality products for its partners and relieve them of their worries. YD Force has full digital machining center and the world's advanced automatic processing production line. High-end digital equipment and efficient gear grinding machine are introduced to greatly improve the gear accuracy and transmission efficiency. Adopting automatic high-speed gear hobbing machine ensure the worm gear accuracy, the concentricity, and one-time completion of processing. YD Force makes full use of new technologies and new processes to enhance product stability, effectively ensure the worm gear accuracy, and guarantee product tolerance consistency, paying attention to details to the maximum extent. YD Force also puts each process under strict control and utilizes coordinate measuring machine, gear testing center, and other comprehensive testing means to ensure that each product can be used efficiently and consistently in its application scenarios. So as to invariably provide customers with efficient, stable, and reliable products. YD Force continues to increase investment in research and development, use advanced 3D design software, and is capable of developing and customizing various series of reducers and gearboxes based on customer needs, consistently delivering sophistication to customer enterprises. Cutting-edge technology and remarkable research and development capability enable YD Force to earn multiple honors, including the likes of National High-Tech Enterprise, Zhejiang High-Tech Enterprise Research and Development Center, Zhejiang Science and Technology-Oriented Enterprise, Research and Development Center, Hangzhou High-Tech Enterprise, Hangzhou High-Tech Enterprise, Zhejiang Grade A, Contract Honoring and Credit Honoring Enterprise, among other accolades. We have also taken the lead in the industry by being the first to pass the ISO 9001, 2015 Quality Management System Certification, SGS International Certification, and other quality certifications. The company owns dozens of patent certifications, and this number is still rising. YD Force is constantly mindful of social responsibility and values talent cultivation. Since the launch of the Love and Student Caring Aid program in 2013, the company has sponsored nearly 100 college students and internal employees to complete their studies and professional enhancement, earning praiseworthy recognition from all aspects of society. While fulfilling social responsibilities, the cultivation and reserve of corporate talents has also been enhanced. The world is forever changing. What remains unchanged is our commitment to craftsmanship and our pursuit of excellence. YD Force will continue to create more innovative and sophisticated transmission products, provide comprehensive and high-quality kinetic energy solutions, strive to become a world-leading brand, and look forward to a win-win development with you.